Alright, today we're going to open up this key fob and replace the battery in it. This is from a Toyota Venza, okay? So, this is super easy to open up. You are going to need a small flathead screwdriver. And if you look at the bottom part of it here, on the left side right here, there's a little slot. We're going to use that slot to open this guy up. Stick the screwdriver in there. Just give it a little bit of a twist and it cracks open. Now we want to make sure that we have the buttons facing down when we open this thing up, because the buttons can come out and fall out. If you're in the car, you don't want them to fall out. We just take it open like this, and then we take this out. All right, so yeah, these buttons are all loosey-goosey, okay? Just set this off the side here, and then we have this, and this is where the battery is located. So we're gonna go around here, and we're gonna unlock all these little locks and split this open. We're gonna take this black cover off, okay? Now it can be kind of tedious. You don't wanna break it. You want to go around and just kind of pry it so you get it to open up on you. So you might have to like put your finger there and hold it open while you go around and open it up. All right, you can open it up, and here's our battery. I'm going to slide it right out. Just like this, and I'll show you what size it is. Battery size is a CR 2450. No, CR 2025, I'm sorry. And it just goes back in just like this with the positive sign facing out towards us. This slides in. Cover. It only goes one way. It's shaped all funny so it doesn't go together wrong. Put it back in here. Everything just snaps together. I managed to get it in here. All right. And it's that easy. There you go.